Okay, guys, come close because I'm going to teach you a secret. I'm going to show you how men actually fall in love so he starts to miss your energy when you're not even trying. Not with games, not with pressure, not with you performing, but with presence, curiosity, and a few lines that hit him right in the chest. Because men don't fall in love with you being impressive, they fall in love when being around you feels like relief. I'm not giving you clouds, I'm giving you real life scripts. How to talk to him so he feels seen. How to say one sentence that makes him feel like your hero without you acting helpless. And how to leave a date in a way that makes him think about you the next day. And here's the big truth. A man attaches when you leave an emotional imprint. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to teach you exactly what those imprints are. Hi, love. I'm Sasha Sage, and this is The Art of Seduction, where we talk attraction without games, without chasing, and without losing your softness. Now, if you're ready to stop chasing and start choosing yourself, well, you're at the right place. This is part 1 of 2. Today I'm teaching you what to say and do that makes a man attach. Part 2 is where we get into your energy. So you're not performing this, you're embodying it. Okay, let's go over those imprints. There are actually 4 of them, and I'm going to give you examples for each one. There's seen, safe, hero, and aftertaste. And if you're like, Sasha, what on earth is aftertaste? Well, it's that feeling he has after you leave, where he's like, wait, I actually miss her vibe. Okay, let's start with seen. Now, seen energy is not you interviewing him. It's not 25 questions back to back. Seen energy is you pull the real person out of him and you make him feel understood for being himself. Now, here's what that looks like on a date. He says, yeah, I stay busy. Work's been a lot. OG would go, oh, wow. Well, anyways. But new you give him one soft door to walk through. Use one of these story questions. Okay, what's the part of your job that's actually fun for you? Or, what's the most stressful part and what's the part you're actually proud of? Another, what's something you got better at this year? And then you do the secret pattern, reflect, appreciate, and follow up, because that's what actually feels intimate. Here's an example. Let's say his hobby, he says, I play basketball. You go, so that's your stress release? So see there, you reflected. And you go, I love that. You seem like you need something active to reset. That's you appreciating it. Okay, be honest. Are you competitive or are you actually chill? So that's your follow-up. Here's another example. This is with his passion. Let's say he says, I like cooking. You go, so you're the feed the people type. That's you reflecting. That's attractive. It feels nurturing. You're appreciating it. What's your signature dish? Like the one you make when you're trying to impress. That's a follow-up. Now let's see what his values. He goes, family is important to me. You say, I can tell you take loyalty seriously. That's your reflection. I respect that. You appreciate it. Are you all close, or like holiday close? That's a follow-up. And here's the seduction part. You don't just listen, you notice. You say little things like, I can tell you're disciplined. You're really intentional. I like that. You care about doing things right. That's rare. And then you stop talking and let him feel it. Now, once a man feels seen, the next thing he starts craving is safety. Because a man will flirt with excitement every day, all day, but he attaches to peace. Okay, imprint 2, safe. Now, this is how to feel like peace without being his therapist. Safe doesn't mean you become his emotional support animal, guys. Safe means he can be around you and his nervous system can relax. So here's how you do it in real life. You don't punish honesty. If he says something real like, I had a rough week, you don't go, so you're ignoring me? You go, that sounds heavy. I'm glad you're here now. Do you want to talk about it or do you want to break from it tonight? Now you communicate like a grown woman. Instead of hints, you do calm clarity. I like planned dates. I don't do last minute as a pattern. Consistency matters to me. You regulate before you reply. If you feel triggered, you pause, because the fastest way to kill attraction is reacting from anxiety and then trying to clean it up later. And here are 2 lines that feel safe and feminine. I like how it feels when things are simple and consistent. I feel really present with you. It's easy to talk to you. Okay, now that he feels safe, here's what locks it in. He needs to feel like he matters in your world. That's hero energy, and we do it the healthy way. Now, this energy is not you pretending you cannot open a jar, guys. Hero energy is you're capable, but you let him contribute and you acknowledge it when he does. Now, here are some small let him moments that feel natural. Let him choose between two options. You say, okay, pick sushi or Italian. Ask for a tiny opinion, like, which perfume do you like better on me? Let him take the lead on logistics if he offered. Reservation, parking, walking you to your car. Now, the important part, attach one sentence to the behavior, not a speech, not a dissertation, one clean line. Use these. I like how you take care of things. You are really solid. I feel really good around you. I trust your judgments, or I feel safe around you. Now, guys, this last one use sparingly. Say it only when it's really earned. How to make it not cringe. Tie it to a moment, like he handles the waiter smoothly, or he notices you're cold, or makes sure you get in safely. Then you say, thank you, I feel safe with you. Use a soft voice, small smile, and then you move on, because confidence doesn't beg for a reaction. It lands and it moves. Okay, and now we're gonna make this even stronger, because the compliments that make a man attach are not about his biceps. They're about his character, competence, and consistency. Here are 3 compliment types that hit like a warm punch. 1. Character. You're really consistent, that's attractive. Or, you're considerate, I noticed that. 2. Competence. You handle things well, that's a turn on. Or, I like how you think, you're sharp. 3. Intention and effort. Thank you for planning tonight, it felt really good. Or, I like that you followed through, it says a lot about you. Pro tip here, say it once and let it breathe. Don't keep repeating it. You want it to feel rare and real. And now the final imprints. This is how you make him miss your energy without doing the most. And he keeps thinking about you. And it's created by 2 things. 1, leaving while the vibe is still high. And 2, not overdosing him on your attention after. Now, end of date lines that create aftertaste. I had fun, I'm heading out, text me tomorrow. This was cute, let's do it again soon. Or, I'm gonna let you get back to your night, I'll talk to you later. And here's the key, guys. You actually go. No lingering in the parking lot for 35 minutes, recapping life. Leave him with a little space to feel you. Next day text options should be short, feminine, effective. Last night was fun, I like your vibe. I'm smiling thinking about that conversation. You did good choosing that place. Okay, let me put all 4 imprints into one scene so you can actually see exactly how it flows in real life. Okay, picture this. You're on a date. He starts talking about something he actually loves, like the gym, cooking, music, whatever. Instead of trying to entertain, you do scene energy. You go, wait, what got you into that? He answers, and then you say, so it's like your reset button. That's a reflection. And then you go, I like that about you. It says a lot. That means you appreciate it. And then you say, okay, what's your favorite part? The process or the result? That's the follow-up. Then he does something thoughtful, handles the valet, notices you're cold, walks you to your car. That's hero energy. You go, thank you. I like how you take care of things. I feel safe with you. Then aftertaste, you smile. I had fun. Text me tomorrow. And you leave. And now he feels it in his chest. Seen, safe, proud, and a little empty when you're gone. That's the imprint. So to recap, seen, safe, hero, aftertaste. That's how men fall in love, and that's how you stay soft without overgiving. Okay, guys, if part 1 helped, part 2 is going to change your whole dating life, because part 2 is how to become the kind of woman who naturally creates that imprint. Calm, clear, high standard. Now you know I love you enough to tell you the truth, and I'll see you in the next one.